And a pleasant good Thursday morning. It's the 11th day of January 2024. Well, we had a battle at the top teams in the NBA and the bottom teams. The Spurs beat the Pistons in the battle of the last place teams, 130 to 108. Victor Wembanyama had a triple-double. Also, the Clippers beat the Raptors last night, 126-120. So the Raptors were 0-2 on the LA road trip. Meanwhile, the Warriors' woes continue as the Pelicans beat the Warriors 141-105. Also, the battle of the best teams in the NBA, the Timberwolves and the Celtics. They beat the Celtics beat the Timberwolves in overtime, 127-120. And yeah, Boston is 18-0 at home. Yeah. My prediction is that they'll probably, maybe they'll go 40-1 or 39-2 at home. The way it's looking, or something like that. But the Celtics have a back-to-back as they take on the Bucks. And the Lakers are back in action against Phoenix tonight. Yeah, the Phoenix Suns. Well, happy birthday going out to Mary J. Blige, also to Manny Acta. Also a happy heavenly birthday to Jack Nimitz and to Clarence Clemons as well. And, it is a little bit windy today. And it is a little chilly as well, but yeah, Los Angeles, you know, winds can be unpredictable. But yeah. Boy, it looked like I thought Minnesota was going to win last night. But Boston defended home court and they're 18-0. And they'll likely be the top seed in the NBA and will likely have home court advantage, including the finals. Meanwhile, the Utah Jazz also upset Denver last night too, 124 to 111. Yeah, Utah's been playing really good, and I'm kind of worried that the Lakers might fall to Utah on Saturday night. But yeah, then they have a long homestand coming up after that. They play the Thunder, then they play the Mavericks, and then the Nets, and then Portland. And then they play the Clippers, but it will be a Clippers home game. And then later this month, the Lakers play the Warriors. And like I said, the Warriors have lost like 8 out of their last 10. Or 7 out of their last 10. But yeah. But yeah, I mean, last night was the Celtics and the Timberwolves. And the Celtics and the Timberwolves. And tonight is the Celtics and Bucks, a battle of the top 2 Eastern Conference teams. So hopefully we can fear the deer tonight. Well, Boston plays well on back-to-back, so unlike the Lakers, but Boston is healthy. Lakers are just trying to stay above water. Yeah. I mean, we're like halfway through the NBA season already. But there's still hope that the Lakers can turn it around. But the Clippers, they're on a roll and they're leading in the Pacific Division right now. Yeah, the Clippers will likely have home court advantage though in the first round maybe. But yeah, the Clippers And the Knicks have been playing well too. But I don't think the Knicks are going to win the championship this year. But yeah, it is another windy day. Yeah, northwest winds at around 9 miles an hour. But yeah. Well, I hope you all have a good Thursday. And stay safe in these windy conditions. I'll catch you later.